This simple funnel brought in 50 coaching clients in just 30 days, all from a single backend system most coaches overlook. See, most coaches think a better website will fix their conversion problem. Yeah, no. If that were true, every broke coach with a $5,000 homepage would be sipping protein smoothies on a beach in Bali right now. I know it's not true because I built this powerful funnel myself and it generated $212,470 in my own business. Then I ran it with 17 coaches in different niches and it kept converting at 60%. I'm Coach Guy. I've spent over 10,000 hours building funnels that actually convert. And I know exactly what separates broke coaches from scalable businesses. In this video, I'll show you the exact funnel template we used and give you my 3-step strategy to plug it into your own business today. But first, how is it even possible to close more clients in a month than you did all year? The answer is surprisingly simple, but not what you'd guess. Let me explain. People today consume hundreds of pieces of valuable content per day, and then do absolutely nothing with them. Everyone wants results. Nobody has clarity. That's why we're seeing what I call the coaching revolution. Like the information revolution before it, this one's about transformation, and coaching is right at the center. The coaching industry is expected to generate $7.21 billion this year. That's billion with a B. That's also why Alex Hormozi dropped $200 million into School, and Iman Gadzhi poured millions into WAP, both platforms that support coaches and mentorship. But here's the paradox. While the industry is growing faster than a dopamine detox trend on TikTok, most coaches are still stuck. They're overwhelmed, burnt out, building Canva carousels at midnight. That's what I call the expert bottleneck. Brilliant coaches trapped doing things that don't scale, hoping content will do what only systems can. The result? You stay smart, you stay helpful, but you stay stuck. And it's often because of these 3 myths. Myth number 1, I need a prettier website. Look, I love good design, but a website is not a funnel, it's a brochure. And brochures don't close clients. Funnels do. You need something that guides strangers from who is this to when can we start. Not something that just looks pretty while doing nothing. Myth number 2. I need to be everywhere online. This one's popular. If I just post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, IG Reels, LinkedIn, and maybe MySpace for good measure, I'll get clients. Number content without a funnel is just noise. You don't need more platforms. You need a strategic journey from curiosity to commitment. Myth number 3, sales feels icky. I get it. We all have flashbacks of cold DMs that start with, "Hey boss babe, quick question." But avoiding sales is like trying to win a marathon by skipping the finish line. A great funnel doesn't pressure. It educates, warms, and pre-sells. So by the time you get on the call, they're already halfway in. So the real difference between broke coaches and scalable businesses? Systems. I'm talking about a 3-phase funnel that works behind the scenes to attract, nurture, and convert the right clients, even while you sleep. And yes, I built mine on GoHighLevel, and I'll show you exactly how to build it, step by step. Save this video now so you can come back in case you miss anything. Phase 1. Lead magnet creation. Let's start with lead capture, the entry point to your funnel. And to do that, we need a lead magnet. Think of a lead magnet as your digital handshake. It's something so valuable and specific that your ideal client can't help but click and exchange their email to get it. As a coach, this could be a niche-specific workbook like 7-Day Strength Reset for fitness coaches, or Client Retention Blueprint for business coaches. We'll use a Client Clarity Workbook as our example. Step 1. Set up your funnel head to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Click Sites on the left menu, then select the Funnels tab at the top. Tap the plus new funnel button on the top right and choose Create from Blank. Name it something clear like Client Clarity Funnel. Inside the funnel, add 2 steps, a landing page and a thank you or congrats page. We'll build both from scratch. Step 2. Build the landing page. This step is super important but really easy in GoHighLevel. You'll get a bunch of templates to choose from, and you can either use a pre-designed opt-in template, ideal if you want something fast, or start from scratch with a blank page for full customization. To customize your landing page, click Create from Blank to get started. You'll see a blank canvas. No worries. First, drag a section onto the page. Then, hit the plus icon, go to rows, and drag a row into the section. Now for the fun part, there are tons of options to play with. Click the plus sign again, head to the Elements tab, and start dragging in the elements you need. So this is a very important part. Here's the proven layout that works for most coaches. Headline: make it specific and results driven. Transform your fitness business in 30 days. Download your free Client Clarity workbook. Subheadline: now briefly explain the benefit. Unlock proven strategies to attract more fitness clients and turn them into loyal customers. Visual: add a mock-up image of your workbook. Use Canva or AI-generated visuals. Red CTA button: so you have to label it with action-focused text like "Get my free workbook now, it's free." In the right sidebar, scroll to button actions and set it to open pop-up. And finally, under the button will be an urgency message, something like, "This workbook is only available for the next 48 hours. Step 3. Create the pop-up form. This next step is pretty easy and straightforward. Click the pop-up icon in the top menu, looks like a square with a pop-up. Add a new section, then a row, and then your preferred element inside the pop-up. Elements to include: urgent headline, get instant access before it's gone. Form element, you'll select your form here. Don't forget to save by clicking the icon on the top right side left to publish. Step 4. Create the form. Now, this is another reason why we use this tool, because creating a form is pretty easy. All you need is to go to Sites, then click on Forms, and then head over to Builder. From there, just hit plus Add Form to start creating your opt-in form. Take note, you have to. Remove the phone number field, except you have a specific need. Keep just name and email, use the second checkbox for compliance. Rename your form, something clear like Clarity Workbook Form. Customize the submit button text, something like "Send me the workbook." And now you can save the form. Step 5. Connect the form to the pop-up. So go back in your funnel, open the pop-up, click the form element, and select your newly created form. In the form settings, right sidebar, set the submission redirect to go to your second funnel step, the thank you page. Save everything and publish the page. Step 6. Build the thank you page. All you need here is add a headline. Congrats, your 30-day Client Clarity workbook is on its way to your inbox. Add a button to download the workbook again. Download my workbook now. Add a pitch for a free strategy call. Want help putting these strategies into action? Book your free 30-minute call now. Red CTA button. Book my free call now. Add a 24-hour countdown timer. Text below. This free strategy call offer expires in 24 hours. Phase 2. Email nurture workflow. By now, you've captured their email. But what happens next? This is where most leads go cold. Not from lack of interest, but because life gets in the way. That's why you need a nurture sequence. This automated email series keeps the conversation going. So, how do we set that up? Go to Automations, then go to Workflows, click Create Workflow, then select Start from Scratch. Name it something like Client Clarity Workbook Follow-up, so it's easy to keep track of. For the trigger, select Form Submitted. Then, add a filter to target the exact form you created, something like Client Clarity Workbook Form. So this workflow only fires when that specific form is submitted. Sequence. Add these emails, spaced with wait steps. Day 0. Your free workbook is here. Include download link, plus light CTA for booking a call. Day 3. How to implement these strategies fast. Day 5. Ready to get more clients? Day 7. Last chance, free workbook expires tomorrow. Day 10. Want personalized help? Pro tip, make sure that each email should relink the workbook, add a soft or direct CTA to book the free strategy call, use the same red CTA button consistently, and here's where you have and publish the workflow. Phase 3. Conversion point. Now you've built trust. Time to convert curiosity into commitment. This is your conversion point, the strategy call. It should feel like the natural next step, not a pitch. Use positioning like, if you're ready to map out your 90-day growth plan, book your free clarity call here. Let's find where you're stuck and build a strategy that fits your coaching style. So, how do you set that up? Now, go to Settings, then move to Calendars, then to Create Calendar. Choose Personal Booking. Set your availability, connect Zoom. Done. You now have a complete automated sales funnel inside GoHighLevel, a branded landing page, a high converting pop-up plus form, an email nurture sequence, a booking calendar embedded for strategy calls. If you promote this funnel consistently and follow up with leads, getting 50 clients a month becomes easy. But here is what you don't hear online. A coach once told me they lost a $15,000 client simply because they forgot to follow up. Not because they didn't care, but because their system wasn't built to scale. Don't be that coach. This funnel ensures no qualified lead ever slips through the cracks again. And honestly, at this point, you've only 3 paths to take. Option 1, do nothing. And let's be real, most people will. They'll nod along, feel a spark of clarity, and then go back to scrolling Instagram or tweaking their logo for the 100th time. Option 2, DIY it all. You study funnels, test automations, duct tape together landing pages, and follow up emails. Just like me in my early days. It took 7 months of struggle before I got any results, and that's why I created something different. A shortcut I wish I had earlier. That brings us to option 3, my full plug-and-play client journey system, designed specifically for coaches. See, to succeed as a coach online, you don't need fancy websites, a huge social media following, constantly posting content, or chasing DMs. You do need a proven funnel, a niche with high-ticket potential templates and systems that run without you. Now, if you're ready to build a client-getting funnel, you're in luck. I've got something special for you. All you need to do is click the link below this video. You'll get access to a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel, so you can set everything up risk-free. A goal-setting and planning workbook to get crystal clear on your offer. The exact client clarity funnel we just walked through. Copy and paste ready. It's everything you need to launch with confidence and start attracting the right clients. Scroll down and click on the link below, and an expert will set it up for you. Let's build a smarter business, and let's start closing clients with a funnel that actually works, even while you sleep. Thanks for watching.